My working day. I arrived at the Liceo Moderno school, starting my work as the teacher at 6 o'clock in the morning. After completing the training, I make a prayer with my students, and later I give the class of the corresponding subjects the each day. At 8:30 it is rest hour until 9 o'clock. In this space I share with my worker, and if I am disciplined, I should be watching around the classroom. Then I shall make acknowledgement in the areas of Spanish and mathematics in elements show the 12:30 afternoon. For the performance of my work is necessary to participate in recreational, sport, and academic activities, can be the show, school, extra days. This is my working day, which I did 10 years ago. Thank you.